Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my Best Top 5 Produce Soldering Station Video Review. Number 1. Soldering Station Matte Silicone Work. Keep your workspace clean, organized, and heat-proof with the Soldering Station Matte Silicone Work. Designed from high-temperature resistant silicone, this mat provides safe protection during soldering, repairs, and electronic assembly. With built-in compartments for screws, components, and tools, it ensures maximum efficiency and reduces the risk of losing time. Number 2. JCD 8586 Desoldering Station. The JCD 8586 Desoldering Station combines precision and power in one compact unit. Featuring adjustable temperature control, fast heating, and a dual soldering iron plus hot air design, it supports all types of electronics repair. Its digital display allows accurate monitoring, while the ergonomic handpieces ensure comfort during long sessions. Number 3. 2-in-1 750W Soldering Station. Experience professional-grade performance with the 2-in-1 750W Soldering Station. Equipped with a power. Number 4. JCD Soldering Station Hot 858D. The JCD Soldering Station Hot 858D offers fast, precise hot air operation for modern electronics repair. Featuring adjustable airflow, digital temperature control, and quick heat-up time, it handles IC removal, shrinking, and reflow tasks with ease. Number 5. JCD 8208 Heat Gun Micro Soldering. The JCD 8208 Heat Gun Micro Soldering is built for detailed, fine-control heating tasks. With adjustable temperature and strong airflow, it's ideal for micro-soldering, S&D rework, and precision electronics repair. Lightweight yet powerful, it ensures stable performance and excellent handling for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need accuracy in every job.